Hey friend, welcome. If you're a career-driven woman navigating the early days of newborn life while still managing work commitments, you already know how challenging it can feel. Balancing professional expectations with the unpredictability of newborn rhythms is no small task. Today, I'm sharing practical, real-world strategies that I recommend to career-focused mothers who want to successfully manage both Zoom meetings and life with a newborn. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Set clear expectations early for yourself and your team. One shift that consistently eases professional stress postpartum is setting realistic expectations with your team before returning to work. Proactively communicate that you are committed to showing up and also navigating the realities of caring for a newborn. A simple heads up normalizes any background interruptions and builds goodwill with colleagues. Leadership is about proactive communication, not pretending everything is perfect. Tip number 2, align work meetings with natural newborn rhythms. Well, while newborns aren't predictable hour by hour, they do tend to settle into short sleep cycles after feeding. Possible, aim to schedule important meetings immediately after a feeding and diaper changes. This simple timing adjustment gives you a window of relative quiet where you can stay focused and engaged professionally without unnecessary stress. Tip number 3, utilize hands-free tools strategically. One practical tool I recommend to new working mothers is baby wearing during non-video meetings or independent work time. A quality baby wrap or carrier keeps your newborn calm and close while freeing your hands and focus for essential tasks. When used thoughtfully, it can significantly extend your work windows without escalating stress. Tip number 4, redefine professionalism for this season. Perfection is not the goal. Professionalism during postpartum looks like resilience, adaptability, and transparent communication, not silent multitasking or masking challenges. If your baby cries during a Zoom call, acknowledge it briefly, mute yourself, handle the moment gracefully, and continue. Your ability to maintain composure and pivot under pressure is professionalism in action. And truthfully, if you can give a project update while gently bouncing a newborn off camera, you're already demonstrated executive level crisis management skills. Navigating this season isn't about pretending it's easy. It's about applying smart systems, communicating clearly, and honoring both your family and your professional commitments with grace. You are not failing because it feels hard. You are succeeding because you are showing up consistently and intentionally, even when it's challenging. And if you want even more real-world strategies to actually enjoy life with your newborn without losing yourself between Zoom calls and diaper changes, I'd love to invite you to my free live class. It's happening on May 14 at 12 noon Eastern Time. But don't worry if you can't make it live. If you register, you'll automatically get the full replay set straight to you. We'll dive deeper into the frameworks that help ambitious women like you create balance, preserve identity, and experience joy in the newborn stage without losing everything you've worked hard for. Save your seat at the link below. I'd be honored to walk through this time with you. See you there!